Ever send a friend request on Facebook and instantly regretted it? Today, we'll quickly show you how to cancel those pending requests and take control of your Facebook connections. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to your Facebook profile. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture or name in the top left corner of the screen, or by searching for your name in the search bar. Once on your profile, look for the Friends tab, usually located under your cover photo, and click on it. On your Friends page, you'll see several options. Look for and click on the Requests tab. This will take you to a page where you can see all pending friend requests you've received and sent. Now, at the top of the Requests page, you should see a small link that says View Sent Requests. It's usually in smaller, lighter font. Click on this link to see a list of all the friend requests you've sent that are still pending. You'll now see a list of profiles you've sent friend requests to. Next to each name, you'll see a button that says Cancel. Simply click the Cancel button next to the person you no longer want to be friends with. After clicking Cancel, the button will change to Add Friend, indicating that the friend request has been successfully withdrawn, and that's it. You've successfully canceled a friend request on Facebook. Remember to periodically review your sent friend requests to keep your connections relevant and avoid awkward situations. Now you can confidently manage your Facebook friend requests and keep your social circle exactly how you want it. Thanks for watching.